How to buy RAT, the RAT Escape. So before we start, this is not a financial advice. I am not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before that, make sure to take a look on the X account. As you can see, they have a big community there. Now, to be able to buy this token, just go and open it on CoinMarketCap. And after that, go to socials as you can, or contract as you can see. Now copy the token address. This token address came under the Solana network. Now the best choice to be able to buy these kind of tokens is by using the Phantom wallet. Now go and open your Phantom as you can see and click on swap. Now make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet and click here to be able to copy or paste the token address. So as you can see, this is our token. After that, click on it. Now here enter how much you want to buy. And this is how much you receive of the token. From here, just select the provider, for example, Jupiter. Now make sure to read all of this information from here. Now after you click on swap, they will redirect you to Jupiter provider to be able to buy this token. If you face any issue, just go back and switch the slip hash from here to be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy the right token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.